The need for heavenly books for 5 prophets, who have honored humanity with their existence, must have been given instructions by Almighty Allah in order to fulfill their very important duties as messengers and prophets. These instructions were given to the prophets through heavenly books. Heavenly books are sacred laws of the Almighty Allah to be applied to humans. Allah has informed humans of their rights and duties through these laws. The lives of prophets in this world are temporary. The continuation of the divine rulings that the prophets conveyed to their communities has only been possible through these books. If these books did not exist, people will remain unaware of the wisdom of their creation, the duties incumbent upon them, the blessings of the hereafter they will attain, and the calamities that await them. They would be deprived of the divine principles that will bring order to their lives. In particular, they will be deprived of the honor and happiness of reading the sacred verses, worshiping with them, learning from them, and understanding the truth and escaping from dangerous views. Indeed, humanity has had a great need for the heavenly books because of the high purpose and wisdom they carry. To meet this need, these sacred books have been bestowed upon humanity